Hey everyone, so today I'll be using Let's Resin Fast Cure. We're going to do a project. I'm aiming for something like this that I did yesterday and go from there. So let's get into it. I'm going to mix my resin and I'll be back. So my resin is at 32 degrees. I let it sit in this cup till it heated. Then I separate it into another cup. I take out approximately 30 mils or 30 grams and put it aside. Then I will pour this into my mold. And I've got two small ones here, which I'll use the rest. Not sure if I've got enough, but yeah, the two small ones I'm going to be using as a experiment. That's basically what I do when there's leftover resin. Now in this, I'm going to use the Cast and Craft. Oops. And this time I'm going to make it just a little bit more opaque. It's the end of my bottle. I've got a new one, so now when I say opaque, it's a little bit more whiter than what we normally use. See, you can't really see the stick, but you can still see the stick. If you know what I'm talking about. And then I'll put it into my bag. Now I'll let it sit for a little while because I'm going to do my inks. I should have done that before I mixed the white. Okay. Okay, so that's that. And then I'm going to do a teal in this one. And I'm going to do green. I love this green. The ink is not spreading because come on. Spoiled that one. Okay. See you for the unmolding. Hey everybody, so I've taken them out of the molds because this mold is really hard to undo. So let's have a look at the little ones first. Ready? Wow, that one went crooked, that one went a little bit crooked. Okay, so that's one. Let's have a look at the green one. Now these are the practice runs. Oh wow, look at that. I did a different petal on that one. If you see, when you pour your resin and you do it in a straight line, there's nowhere for the resin to spread. So that's why it gives you that 3D line effect, because it's got nowhere to go. The only way is down. So that's why you get that. Now this one I'll have to play with a little bit more. Now let's have a look at the main one. Ready? Wow, that's different. That's completely different. I tried to do stamens right in the middle and then had those little things on the side. Okay, so I'll put a gold rim around it and then show you guys a bit later. See you later. Thank you.